Hello guys, how to fix if keyboard shortcuts not working in Microsoft Excel on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if your Microsoft Excel not working, then here are the fixes. First workaround is launch Microsoft Excel, and here from the top menu bar go to view tab. Here go to macros option, click on it and choose view macros. Here, if you find any macros, simply select it and choose delete. The next one is go to file option from the top menu bar and go to accounts and update Microsoft Office. Choose update options and choose update now. It will update your Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, and check whether keyboard shortcuts or Microsoft Excel working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on a start button, choose settings, task manager. Here under process tab, first select Microsoft Excel and choose end task. And now check whether keyboard shortcuts is working or not. It will definitely work. We will check. Type any and press Ctrl plus X to cut and Ctrl V to paste. Keyboard shortcuts is working now. If in your case not working, then next workaround is go to Windows settings by press Win plus I shortcut key, and here go to apps, installed apps, look for Office, click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft 365 Office, choose advanced options, and first if this app is not working right, first repair it. If this app still is not working, then reset it. And after repair and reset, if Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel not working, simply uninstall it